I've come so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I'll keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams, a head full of hopes, possibilities. I'm taking a chance to reach for the stars, for the stars. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger. No walls they build.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापम् सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च मतिं स्वच्छामि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठे गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः 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 शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म
Today is a great day. Today is National Mathematics Day. First of all, I would like to wish you all happy Mathematics Day. Children, Srinivas Ramanujagar, to honor Srinivas Ramanujagar birthday anniversary every year, 22nd December, we used to celebrate as National Mathematics Day. But see, our Srinivas Ramanujagar born on 1887, December 22nd. He died in the year of 1920. So near about 32 years he lived. But every human being, every child, every student remember him. Why? Because he was a great mathematician. So he was also born as a human being, but he proved himself by doing great achievements in mathematics. He proved himself, so that everybody we remember him, and still upcoming generation also remembers him. So in that way, everybody must prove something. Every student will have some talent, but by doing hard work, we have to bring it out. Okay, Nana? Srinivas Ramanujagar having good skills in mathematics. So, C.V. Raman Garu was great in science. By doing Raman effect, we celebrate Raman Effect Day as National Science Day. In that way, every students will have different talent. So by doing hard work, you have to bring it out, Nana. Don't waste your time. Don't waste valuable time. This is the foundation of your life. High school education is foundation of your life, your career. So don't waste your time by chit-chatting, by doing naughty things. Be disciplined always. Obey your parents' words. Obey your teacher's instructions. Follow the instructions accordingly. On so many instructions also, you will never pay interest to concentrate on studies. But all the things we have lifelong time. But this is the initial stage of studies. In this stage, you have to focus more on studies itself, not other than that. So, behalf of this day, I would like to share my opinion that you have to concentrate whatever skill, whatever whatever subject you like, please be concentrative on that. Prove yourself, Nana. Definitely you will get success. But you have to keep one goal. As per my opinion, without goal, waste. Everybody must keep one goal, and we have to work for achieve that goal, Nana. Okay? Thank you once again. Wish you happy Mathematics Day. Maths madam, teachers, and my dear children. Thank you, Nana.